If you want to close all running background apps on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so first of all, the process varies a little bit on the buttons navigation and gestures navigation. So let's start with the buttons. For buttons, tap on these three lines. And here you'll see the list of the running applications. You can close them one by one by swiping up, or you can simply press close all, and this will close them all completely. As for the gestures navigation, let's switch up to it real fast. So if you are using swipe navigations, what you should do is you should swipe up from the bottom of your screen, like this, hold your finger a little bit, release it, and press close all. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.